Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a bit different and shorter than usual, but I just want to quickly announce the launch of my brand new Skool community, which is called the Super Affiliate Academy. Now, I decided after a long time that I'm going to stop selling one-time online courses like the CPA Video Academy or the Affiliate Escape Plan, and I'm going to add all of my exclusive content into one single community on Skool where anyone can join with a super low monthly fee. Now, I've been dealing with issues with online course piracy and so much other things that's been going on behind the scenes that you guys don't even know about. It takes a long time to craft everything together. It takes a lot of money to create such program, and then you find out that somebody just copies it, downloads it and resells it online for a fraction of the cost. So that's why I decided to create a Skool community, and it's going to allow ordinary people, even people who have a very little budget, to join, because this Skool community called the Super Affiliate Academy is hosted by me, created by me. As you can see, it's only $15 per month. So this is super affordable for anyone to join. Now, here's what's going to be included, all right? I don't want to sell you anything, guys. I don't really care if you join or don't join. I mean, this is created for people that are looking to start making money online. Now, it's very difficult for me to deal with everyone and all of my students via email and Telegram and Facebook. It's just so overwhelming. So I've decided to create this community where anyone can ask questions, DM me directly. So this is going to be so much easier for everyone to communicate. And also there's going to be experts in our community which do also have experience with CPA marketing. So, you can all help each other. Now, as you can see, we already have 23 members. I just announced this with a couple of emails, nothing special. So a lot of people don't know about this, and I stopped selling any of my online courses so you can buy them with a one-time purchase. All of that is canceled. And as you can see, when you click on Classroom, you can see this is the CPA Video Academy course, the Affiliate Escape Plan course, which launched at a price of $500. And all of these courses are added in the Classroom section of this Skool community. Also, a brand new course that I'm currently working on, the CPA Marketing Accelerator, is going to be launched early in 2025. January or February. So everything is going to be included inside this community from now on. All right. No more one-time purchases here. I'm not going to promote any of my online courses anymore. And I'm not going to charge a one-time fee for any of my courses anymore. Everything is going to be added inside this community. And I'm also going to add all of my case studies from YouTube that I posted and future case studies inside this community with a super low monthly price. So everyone, right, from anywhere in the world can join. $15 per month is the price of lower than Netflix. And I'm sure everybody has Netflix, okay? So it's lower than Netflix, and you're going to find so much value in this community. I'm going to do my best to reply to everyone. As you can see, we already have questions and people answering all of these different types of questions. And I'm going to do my best to answer everyone as soon as possible. I'm also going to try to do weekly or monthly Q&A sessions, so everyone on this community can join and ask various questions where I'm going to answer, okay? And most importantly, I'm launching brand new CPA campaigns. Yes, you heard that right. As you can see, 22nd of November, today, 18th, 15th, 11th. I'm launching campaigns every single day with Adstera, and every single case study from now on is going to be added inside my Skool community. So this is going to give you guys tons and tons of value. Because I noticed that every time I publish case studies, you guys are absolutely loving them, and I get tons of positive feedback. So I'm also trying to do my best to fit everyone's needs, right? Some people want free traffic case studies, some people want paid traffic case studies. So I'm going to do my best to add everything and create the most epic content and add it inside the Skool community. Now, what I wanted to mention, one more thing, is that the price is increasing at 50 members. We already have 23 members within 3 or 4 days. So now is the best time to join. This is the lowest price it's ever going to be. It's only going to be increasing. So I'm going to be increasing the price at 50 members and at 75 and at 100. So by the end of the year, it might be, I don't know, $30 or $40, $50. I don't know. So right now is the best time to join. If you want access to this Skool community, make sure to click the link in the description. Here you will find all of my published courses that are not available on sale anymore. Here you will find all of my previous case studies and case studies that I'm going to be working on in the future. You'll also get access to 24/7 support. I'm going to try to do my best to respond to everyone's comment and message. And also you're going to get the chance to work with other like-minded individuals from all over the world that are working towards the same goal as you. So let's work together, guys. Link in the description, $15 per month, all of my exclusive content. This is a steal. See you guys on the inside, and don't forget to introduce yourself.